So I create a space where everyone can really relax into themselves and connect into a field of energy that holds them so that they can begin to travel through those places inside and travel to those places which they've been avoiding but which has been holding them back. And to be able to go in that safe space, go to those places and bring healing, bring more energy and awareness to these spaces, so you can let go of the shit that's been holding you back and invite fresh life force into your body. And so this all happens within a ritual format. There's music and movement and breathing exercises and partner exercises, and everything is held in a way that is flowing and really responsive to what the needs of the group are. So these spaces are incredibly potent spaces for transformation. And I find that the people who leave my workshops are absolutely shining, whether they come in and they're contracted and nervous and thinking, why the fuck am I here? And they leave shining and just feeling so good in themselves and so excited about their lives and so excited about their relationships, like so wanting to go, if their partner's not at the workshop, but wanting to go home to their partner and be able to just share the love with them. And this is also beautiful to hear how the relationships of the people in my workshops transform as a result of coming to a workshop.